This is The Brief on artificial intelligence and the future of real estate. If you're a busy real estate pro, think of this as your essential strategic guide. It lays out how AI is going to completely redefine the industry, getting you ready to dominate the next decade. Okay, so first, the book's core idea is the great rewriting. See, AI is way more than just another tool. It's rewriting the value of the property itself through the digital twin, a verifiable, data-rich virtual copy. This creates total transparency. For you, the new mandate is to become a human API, the expert who interprets all that data for clients. Second, the book is incredibly actionable. It's not just theory, it's a quick 150-page read packed with a practical toolkit. For instance, you get the detailed 90-day AI integration plan. This thing moves you from idea to action with structured steps, like auditing your database and designing automated nurture blueprints. Finally, the book is truly visionary, preparing you for the long game. It introduces concepts like the liquid home and the algorithmic city, and crucially, it analyzes the great restructuring of real estate roles, detailing how AI defines new, irreplaceable human values for agents and lenders, skills like strategic counsel and creative financial structuring. Because of these profound challenges and opportunities, this book is a must-read for all real estate professionals who want to master the market's future.